So you want to install a theme. Maybe you bought it on somewhere like Theme Forest, you have it, or you don't care and you want to install a WordPress theme straight from WordPress. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a couple of different ways, and I'm going to go over that with you right now. Hi, my name is Paul Kluke. I own my own digital marketing business. I have been at it since 2012. I'm excited you're here. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video and to my channel if this really helps you. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. Now, what we're looking at is we're looking at WordPress. And let's say you're one of the people that is just saying, hey, Paul, I want to install a theme in general. If you just go to Appearance and go to Themes and click on Add New, typically you're going to see lots of different themes, and you can sort the themes by feature. You can say, well, I want it to have a blog, and I want it to have a grid layout, or I want it just to be one column or 3 columns, that kind of stuff. You can also go to Popular and Latest and see what what the newest ones that are coming out are. And if you, let's say we like this one and we say, all right, let's install. All you're going to do is install it, and literally it should be live on your site. And now it's going to be a matter of, sorry, I didn't activate it. I was like, well, wait a minute. I told you how easy it was going to be, right? So, all right, I've activated it. Now, if we go to the theme, to the website, we'll see that it's activated. And it's pretty cool. That looks good. And we could start customizing it right from here. Now, let's say that you have a theme that you purchased already. How would you actually get that on the site? Well, that's pretty easy as well. Just go to Themes, click on Add New, and then you should have a zip file. Upload theme, choose the file, go to the location where you have it saved. We're going to go to here, and we'll go to plugins purchased, new OMG theme, and then this would be the zip file that I would add. And let me just see if there's one well, let's go ahead and add that. And we'll grab this and you hit open. And now you would click on install now. Now I already, I can go ahead and install now. Forgot, I was thinking I was on my own site. It's been one of those days. All right, so it's installing, and here shortly I'm going to see that the link you followed has expired. Of course it expired because I bought this theme a long time ago, and kind of expected that there would be a problem with it. So let's say I wanted to upload the theme directly. I think you get the picture here. It didn't work, but that's just because it's no longer active. I guess we could go to WordPress.org and themes to download. Let's see if we can download a theme from somewhere else. Yeah, let's go here and let's download the theme. Now we have regular news over here. I'm going to move it over to my desktop real quick. Then I'll go back over. I just want you to see upload theme, and you can just drag and drop this. Oops, that didn't work. Choose file. I don't know why I did that. And let's go to desktop. And where's it at? There it is. Regular news, install now. All right, it's installing and it was successful, and now we just need to activate it. And if we look at our site, you'll see once again it's taken on a new look and feel, and we could start customizing that one here. So that's really how you upload it. Now let's say for some reason it fails, because this actually does happen sometimes, and I've experienced it. It's a really frustrating process, and then you're kind of like, well, what do I do now? The next step for you is to go to the file manager. Let's go back to WordPress and let's down the Guten Start, and we'll move that over to the desktop. and we'll go to cPanel. And then what we want to do is we want to look for EMI-ORs. You want to click on WP-content and you'll find themes. And this is where you want to upload your theme. So you'll upload, in this one you can just drag over here. Guten Start, and it added it. It's 100% done. You click on go back and we should see it in our list. Here's the zip file, and let's go ahead and extract that to themes, close, and now we don't need the zip file anymore. We can just delete that. And if we go refresh under themes, we'll see our Guten Start, and then we can activate it here. You could do the same thing with FileZilla or SFTP, FTP. If you have access to that, what you would do is you would essentially connect to your directory, and you would go through the same steps. So you would FTP into EMI-ORs, and you'd find themes and just do the same process. I hope that has been a big help for you on how to install a theme on your WordPress website. Make sure to like this video if it helped you, and check out the newest videos as they come out by subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.